The police pursuit of suspects has become an essential part of patrolling and ensuring community safety. They are ready to face dramatic and extremely dangerous situations. To experience the authenticity of these events, let's watch today's captivating video together. Upon receiving information about an orange Ford Mustang and a white Porsche Panamera racing at speeds exceeding 120 miles per hour on Interstate 4, the patrol team quickly arrived to prevent this dangerous situation. The white car accelerates and shows no intention of stopping. After an extended chase, the driver deliberately collides with the police car subsequently. The vehicle crashes into the roadside barrier. The police then proceed to handcuff both men in the car.
I got him secured.
1516, go ahead.
You good?
A thrilling pursuit unfolds right on the highway with a suspected stolen car in the spotlight, reportedly taken a few days prior. The pursuit reaches speeds close to 100 miles per hour, posing a significant danger to other vehicles on the road.
You might as well see if Morgan County has it up. They're probably going to be into their county before CDC advised they're not going to assist with a 1031, but if they fail, they will assist, be advised. 97, how about the aircraft? Will they assist with that?
The suspect's black car collides with another vehicle, losing control in the process. The intense chase continues.
10-4, It's spinning out.
The damaged vehicle seems to malfunction during the escape, leading the suspect to surrender immediately. The pursuit concludes without any injuries to anyone involved. A stolen car, reportedly taken by a man, was pursued by law enforcement. Upon approaching, a rear-end intervention was executed, preventing the suspect from escaping.
Attention all units, 1031, 46 traffic. The G5 10 covered.
He was immediately handcuffed, concluding the pursuit without injuries.
Sit down and go! Hey, there's still someone in the car! There's still someone in the car!
The Florida Highway Patrol received a report about a stolen car from the Broward County Sheriff's Office. The vehicle was on Interstate 95 northbound, and traffic stop assistance was requested. The Highway Patrol pursued the stolen car, confirming its status, but when emergency lights and sirens were activated, the car did not stop at a red light and continued westward. The FHP team, along with the deputy sheriff, initiated a chase, but the stolen vehicle actively evaded the traffic stop.
Alright, let's see if we can log in here.
Upon close approach, the police closed in on the car and apprehended the suspect in the driver's seat. The suspect resisted fiercely, but he was promptly handcuffed.
Get tased! You better get tased! No, you get the cup. Bro, that's my daddy's fucking truck. No, that's my daddy's truck, bro. You can get... Alright, so I'm gonna read you Miranda warnings, okay? Alright, hey, listen, I'm gonna put the seatbelt on again, okay? Alright, don't try to bite your energy. I'm telling you right now. I'm not gonna end up whooping you.
Around 8:27 p.m. on July 31, 2021, an officer patrolling southbound on Jonesboro Road noticed a black Chrysler 300 engaging in erratic maneuvers at the intersection of Jonesboro Road and Lakewood Avenue. The officer activated the lights intending to initiate a traffic stop and assess the situation, but the driver accelerated, initiating a pursuit.
Traffic, walk rates. Clear, all the way down.
Upon colliding with the curb, the right rear tire burst, but the driver persisted in fleeing. Despite losing a wheel, they continued at high speed, nearly colliding with multiple vehicles.
Turning right onto the connector. Clear, sir. Right onto the connector. Lane, we're going 75, 85 north, past the 166.
The final phase of the pursuit transitioned to GA 166 East. Anticipating an unclear intersection ahead, the officer decided to perform a forceful pit maneuver to ensure safety.
We're northbound, first. Firing and stuff for a second. Good. Look out.
The driver and the passenger fled from the vehicle. The police pursued the driver briefly, attempting to use a taser to stop the fleeing. However, both taser attempts were unsuccessful, and the driver continued into a grassy area. Two additional officers joined the pursuit, ultimately apprehending the driver. The driver was transported to Atlanta Medical Center and later to Fulton County Jail for further legal proceedings. Thank you for watching today's video on our channel. We, the channel building team, always aim to bring exciting experiences to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to not miss out on other captivating videos. Goodbye and see you again.